Good morning, everyone. It's Tuesday. It is March the 5th, and I'm Chris here on the Sam channel, Instagram, and X, all sponsored by Ace Hardware Marketplace. We're starting out quiet this morning, except for some of you who are already some shower activity, which I'll show you here on the radar just a second. But first, we the Plano cam from the homestead, and you can see happened here as of 8 a.m. exactly 8 on this Tuesday morning, March 5th. We have just a cloudy sky. A little, what is that? Is that a mosquito? No, it's some kind of little, there's some bugs flying around because they think it's spring. And so they're out as you're out on this morning, which is pretty good. I mean, we're seeing some of those scattered clouds, and some of you are seeing shower activity, and we're going to see a pretty good chance of rain today. Is uh, pretty pretty. Let me show you the radar here so you can get an idea of where it is raining. Pictures look like, and all of that. Radar is showing a lot of activity just north and northeast of the Bowling Green area. Get in on that map there and try to maneuver some of this. Okay, so line of showers that we're looking at. This has formed within the last hour or two, just east of E-Town, down to about Bonneville, moving into Greene County, into LaRue County. Looks like it's coming down through Glasgow, Barron River Lake area, and down towards Scottsville. Now, these have some pretty good pockets of rain in it, but I'm not seeing a whole lot of lightning, and I'm not hearing of any other kind of weather to be concerned about. There could be some hail within these thunderstorms that develop today. And then you see this whole big area of rain. This is the main rain, if you will, that is all moving north into the Bowling Green, Southern Kentucky area. So all of this is getting ready to head our direction. With that will come, I do think, some thunder, some lightning. I don't think we'll see anything severe out of this. I think it's all just going to be some pretty good rainfall, occasional rumble of thunder, and maybe some hail. I don't think it's going to be any worse than that, although I cannot completely rule out the possibility that there might be a strong or even severe thunderstorm out of that activity that comes through today. We're not a zone in a risk per se, but it's those setups to where if we get enough energy with the sun being out some, the freezing levels are a little bit lower in the atmosphere, which means we have a lot better opportunity of seeing maybe some small hail coming out of any of these storms and a brief gusty wind. If that should happen, then you might get one or two severe thunderstorm warnings. But as far as looking at a whole bunch, no, I don't think that's going to be us today. It is going to be one of those situations where you get a little something bumpy, a noisy, a little active, and then it's over. So I'm hoping that remain the case today. Otherwise, uh, it's just going to be your normal spring kind of shower and thunderstorm activity that should not be any big deal. Like, not one of those kind of deals. So we'll try to keep it that way. Temperatures are warm this morning in the 60s, lots of 60s showing up here this morning. 63 here in Bowling Green as of 8 a.m. Most everybody in the 60s. The exception, of course, Cumberland County, Burkesville at 59. So you're almost at 60, which is you're just about now that the sun is up and all of that, everybody's heating up. We're all good. The winds are coming out of the south, as you might expect, 5 to 10. Breezy, there might be a little breeze here and there, 12 to 15. And that's going to be the case today. I don't think we'll see any winds any higher unless, like I mentioned, you get underneath one of those heftier thunderstorms. Then it's a possibility that we could see some of that. And there are the showers again, as noted on radar, just to the east of Bowling Green. Pretty good line of them there. Um, Checking rainfall, you can see that some of these locations picked up not much, 1/100th of an inch of rain in a couple of those places like Hart County, near the Munfordville area. Eh, Not much else. Over in Barron County, you've picked up just a drop or two. So there's that line that continues to move north and continues to move east. These are the only showers out there right now until some of the middle Tennessee start to move our way, which is happening right now. And we'll get those here in a little while. So all of that is what we're going to expect during the course of the day. But what's ahead for us? What about the temperatures? Are we going to continue to have these like temperatures in here? Eh, yeah, yeah. I think we're going to, at least for a little bit longer, as you can see. We're only seeing one little blip in temperatures, and that's coming Sunday. And that will be after a cold front. But here we go. I mean, 70, maybe even 72 today for us here in Bowling Green. Let me make that a little bigger so you can see it. There we go. Maybe 72 today, 58 or so tonight. This shows 56, close enough. Mid 60s again tomorrow, 65, 68 maybe Thursday and Friday, 67, 68s instead of 66s. You see there, I always bump these numbers up, or have been for the past couple of weeks, because it's more accurate. Remember, this is a blend of models. This is the model blender where you put in a lot of different models, put them in the blender, turn it on, spin them around, and this is what it puts out. But it's really just a template to go by. It's not what the exact temperatures are going to be, but it's close. So I've been bumping up these temperatures by a couple of degrees, and it's been close to accurate each time. So I would say mid to upper 60s, close to 70, much of the next few days until we get into Saturday and Sunday. That's when a cold front comes in, another good chance of rain, and then we clear out. And that's when we turn a bit cooler for Sunday, 52. I'm actually going 55 for Sunday. And that's almost right on target for the average high temperature for this time of the year. The average high is 56. Yesterday we hit 80 for the first time this year. We hit 80. And it was only 2 degrees shy of the record of 82 that was set in 1982. So I don't think we'll do that today because of the clouds and the rain, but we will get into the low 70s, about 10 degrees cooler today. But that 80 over 56, 80 the high, 56 the average, that was 24 degrees warmer than average yesterday. So you see, after we do this little cool down on Sunday, we go back, right back into the 60s, 70s. So we've got some nice weather, warm weather still to come. It's not done. It's only the beginning. It's only, as Chicago said, it's only the beginning. What did I do? I hit something. I changed that. Oh, I see what I did. Hold on. Fix. There we go. All right. Now let me hit the right button. Here come the maps. Here, here come the maps. And there you see waves of low pressure riding along the front, slowing the front down, also causing us to get some of the shower activity that we're seeing. and we'll be seeing today at times, not so much in the Bowling Green area yet, but it's coming. You saw that coming up out of middle Tennessee. So it's on its way. Showers, a few thunderstorms. And because the freezing levels are a bit lower in the atmosphere, closer to Earth, then we have the possibility of seeing some hail drop out of these storms today. It's not going to be large hail, so don't worry about that. It's not a cover up your car or get it into a garage or carport kind of a situation. It's going to be, just small hail. The front slowly comes on through early tomorrow morning. We see some leftover showers on Wednesday morning, and then it all begins to clear out. Here we go into Thursday, then into Friday. Here comes the next system in line that's going to bring us more rain on Friday afternoon and evening. Pretty good rainfall. In fact, the rainfall with this one may be heavier than the one coming through today. The low pressure system goes right through middle Tennessee, dragging a cold front beneath it and another one behind it. That's the one that's going to bring us the cooler air as we get into especially Sunday. Showers begin to move out and everything starts to clear out by the beginning of next week. And don't forget, um, did you even see that? I'm sorry. There it is. I thought, wait a minute. They're not even seeing this, are they? I'm sorry. Anyway, I'm not sure what's going on. Anyway, good morning. Lindsay says she just saw a little bit of hail in Hiceville. Okay, that would verify what we saw on the radar. Thank you. Good morning, Karen and Chris and Letitia. Thundering pretty loud in Munfordville, Kayla. Thank you for that report this morning. Lonnie, Janet, good morning to you. We'll monitor these, of course, throughout the day. I don't think they're going to be severe, but you will get some brief heavy rain, lightning and thunder, and as reported, little bit of hail. Not big hail, just a little bit of hail. And don't forget, Sunday is the day we set our clocks ahead 1 hour, spring forward. Daylight saving time begins. So 2 a.m. Sunday morning, or more preferably Saturday night before you go to bed, you set your clocks ahead 1 hour. That's the way it goes. Rita, heavy rain in Glasgow. Okay, well, thank you. Sally in Burkesville, good morning to you. I'm just looking at the chats over here. Thank you for checking in, everybody. Hey, thanks for watching, and I'll see you tonight, 5, 6, and 10 on WNKY News 40. And be sure you download the weather app right there. Scan that before I go. Hurry, get your phone, open up the photo app or how you take pictures on your phone, then just point it at that little circle with all the digital dots on it and scan it, and a little something should come up right in the picture. That's click that link, and you can download the app. That way today you'll get instant notifications on your phone. Lightning is 15 miles away from you. Hail has been detected near you. Or if there is a warning of some kind, it'll pop up on your phone. Ping. Oh, what's that? What? There's a severe thunderstorm and it has hail and it's coming toward me. Just don't panic when it happens. You get the radar, you get alerts, you get our take on the weather, our weather blog, and all of that stuff is in there. So download it and get it done. Elizabeth says pouring in Hardyville. That that would verify what we're seeing on the radar. Have a great day. Thanks for watching and God bless.